Hello, my name is Esmeralda Vasquez. This assignment is for COM 263, my reflections to the article The Body Ritual Amanda Nacirema was that I was shocked how Horace Minor depicted the rituals, events, and traditions that are thrive in North America, living in the territory between the Canadian Cree, the Yaqui, and the Tarahumara of Mexico. This group of people are described as odd people that performs ritual activities. For example, the medicine men who are rewarded with substantial gifts in exchange they cure their clients, but they only prescribe them in a paper that only medicine men can understand. Another example are the holy mouth men who practice horror and are fascinated with the mouth. They influence relationships, and if people don't participate in this ritual, they believe that their teeth will fall out, their gums split, their jaws shrink, and their relationship with friends will end along with any lover. What is more surprising is that people seek out a holy mouth man once or twice a year, even though it hurts and it tortures the clients. The holy mouth men use tools and arrest decay, which will help clients make friends. That's what they believe. The author suspects that sadism is involved with this holy mouth man. Another practitioner known as listener are witch doctor who exorcise the devils that lodge in the people's head. Women's specific rites is to bake their heads in small ovens and rites that are used to make women's breasts larger if they are small. Personally, I think these rites and events that make it seem to outside people are horrifying and interesting. However, what is interesting is that American people do these things, and it is the medicine men described as doctors, holy mouth men as dentists, witch doctors are therapists, and women baking their heads and making their breasts bigger is plastic surgery. For the American people, these events are normal and helpful, but to others are rites and all things that people perform. This helps me understand that people have different views because of ideology and the way people behave in their culture. One of the America's culture practices is cosmetic surgery. This practice might be seen as crazy thing that in particular woman performs to the outside perspective, right? It is a branch that focuses on improving look of multiple body parts through surgical means. This culture is very common in America, specifically plastic surgery that makes butt bigger or breast bigger. It is performed by specific tools by practitioners specialized in surgery, and what they do is change appearances. They are believed to smooth wrinkles, reshape features, or lift sagging skin. Even though people know there are risks and dangerous procedures that might affect nervous system or other type of side effects, according to Cleveland Clinic, some of the most common non-surgical cosmetic procedures include Botox injections, chemical peels, laser hair removal, and the most common cosmetic surgeries include I'm sorry, it's called abdominoplasty. That is a procedure to remove excess skin and fat from the abdomen. Removing excess skin seems absurd by an outside perspective because it might be viewed as peeling off the skin, and that is disturbing, seeing as it might be compared to like torture or any kind of crazy thing that people do. Another one is Rhinoplasty is a type of plastic surgery made in people's nose. It is to believe that it makes people confident in their looks, that changes the nose shape and size. The risk of performing this surgery are infections, pain, scarring, and nosebleeds that can torture people for a period of time. These performances may be seen as a ritual, and it can be a crazy thing that people might be willing to undergo even though their nose might be perfectly fine in the aspects of health. According to Baylor College of Medicine, the increase in plastic and cosmetic surgery, nearly 16.7 billion was spent on cosmetic procedures in the US in 2020. The article mentions that 11% of women surveyed say that they are more interested in cosmetic plastic surgery or non surgical procedures now than before COVID 19. The changes throughout history has changed because according to Vargas Phase 7 Skin Center, during World War One and Two, surgeons surgeons sought methods to help repair and reconstruct injuries sustained during the fighting. This helped people to make people feel better or have their face or appearances normal due to the war's effects on them. However, throughout the years, social media have become popular and many influencers have encouraged and have influenced people's standards, in particular appearances, that make them feel insecure. Which Americans have sought plastic surgery done in their nose, breast, butt, lip, body in general, and other type of cosmetic surgery. As it is mentioned that 16.7 billion dollars was spent on cosmetic procedures in 2020, which shows the increase of people having done cosmetic surgery or plastic surgery. This event is beneficial to people having health problems like having a hard time breathing or weight problems that can help them improve their health. However, it has also detrimental to US culture because of social media and influencers that has negative impact on people's feelings. Uh, as it is mentioned in the article, 11% of women said that they are more interested in plastic surgery now than before COVID 19. Given that COVID 19 affected people, um, having people to stay home for like 40 days or like for a long time, a period of time, which people might have involved themselves too much into social media. And also, this type of behavior affects people's mentality and foster young teenagers to change their appearances, which is detrimental to young teenagers. Thank you.